Oh, I got your question on the discussion board. You was wondering how to use this formula. First thing I might point out, this part here is real close to this part. The only difference, this one's a minus and this one's a plus. Okay, so I don't focus on using this part, and then, instead of subtracting, you add to get this part. One thing you're given is it's a 95% confidence interval, so if you draw the picture, the normal curve, this area here is not 0.95, the total area under the curve is 1, and so that leaves you, 0.025 on these parts. If you look up in table 4, you find Z sub C is 1.96. That's what goes here. The rest of the numbers are given. This x sub 1 bar is given, x sub 2 bar is given, sigma sub 1, sigma sub 2, n1 and n2. So I put the numbers in here, and here on this part you just subtract. Over here, I square the number and divide. Again, square the number and divide. Then you add these two numbers, take the square root of it, you multiply, and you subtract these two numbers. And this is half the answer. If you add these two numbers, you get the other half. There is another way you can do this, besides using the formula. The calculator has this built into it. If you go to stats and over to test, and you go down to 2 sample Z interval, and you just type in this information, it'll do the calculations for you. Hope this helps.